Welcome to video lecture series on electronic devices and circuits. I am Kanakadurga from St. Peter's Engineering College, working as an associate professor in EC department. In this lecture, we are going to discuss mainly on the clipper circuits, how the PN junction diode can be used in the clippers. Mainly, the PN junction diode can be used for rectification process or for a clipping process or for clamping process also. We can use a PN junction diode. There are so many applications of PN junction diodes has been there. So in this lecture, mainly we are concentrating one of the applications of PN junction diode, that is a clipping circuit or clippers, or another name for clippers is the wave shapers. They are going to shape the waveforms, if I have given a sinusoidal signal, it going to shape the waveform. Since it going to clip some of the part of a signal, it going to clip the scenario, nothing but it remove the some of the part of a signal, and it going to produce an output. Those type of circuits we are going to call it as a clippers. In this lecture, we are going to mainly concentrate on how we can able to use the diode as a for a clipping purpose. For this, the main prerequisites we require is that we should have the basic knowledge on the PN junction diode and how the circuit can be analyzed in the series and in the parallel format. And the next one, we should have the knowledge how we can measure the output voltage across the load resistors. The main prerequisites of this talk is the ideal characteristics of the PN junction diode. So what's the ideal characteristics of PN junction diode? We will discuss once again in this talk. The ideal characteristics of PN junction diode is it acts like as a short circuit. It's going to act like as a short circuit in the forward bias condition, and it acts like as a open circuit in the reverse bias condition. So the ideal characteristics of PN junction diode we already discussed in the previous lecture, and in this for analysis of clipping purpose we are going to use such a way that the ideal characteristics of forward bias nothing but it going to be act like as a short circuit when it has been forward biased, and it act like as a open circuit when it has been reverse bias case. So what is meant by clippers and why we have to go for analysis or designing of the circuit of clippers? Mainly we requires overcutting of the voltage we requires nothing but I have the 5 volts of input, but for some portion I requires at that time I requires only 3 volts. Suppose the signal has been the voltage of 5 volts at the 10 seconds. At 10 seconds, I require only the voltage of the input signal for alternating signal. I require only 3 volts at that position. So, but the input signal having the 5 volts. By using that input signal, how we can get the signals to 3 volts by removing the some part the scenario is goes for clipping circuits. So, what is meant by a clipper? Clipping of some portion of a signal will be called as a clippers. What's a clipping is nothing but removing some part of a signal will be called as a clippers. Clippers are mainly two ways, nothing but these two ways we are connection with respect to the scenario with respect to the diode. The clippers has been classified by two types. One is the series, second one is a parallel. Nothing, we already discussed how the diode has been connected with respect to the resistor and output voltage measurement. Depending upon that, if it is in the series format, then it will be called as a series clipper. Otherwise, if the diode is going to be measured or connected with respect to the load resistance and with respect to the output voltage is in the parallel format or in the parallel in nature, then it will be called as a parallel clippers. So mainly how the diode has been connected. It has been connected with respect to the resistor and output measurement of the voltage in terms of a series. Then it will be called as a series clipper. If the diode is connected in terms with respect to the voltage and with respect to the RL in terms of a parallel format, then it will be called as a parallel clippers. So once again, the series has been classified into two types of categories. One is the biased one, another one is the unbiased one. Biased is nothing but application of voltage. External voltage will be called as biasing condition. We are giving some external voltage or external energy we are using for the supply purpose for the scenario of the clipping, that will be called as biasing condition. Here we are doing the biasing of p-n junction diode. That we will be called as a biased series clippers. And if I am not using any voltages, if you observe in this, I am not using any voltage over here, but in this case, in the biased case, we are using an external potential or external voltage. This types comes under the biased case. If you are using the reference voltage, that type of circuits we are going to call it as a biased clippers. I am not using any reference voltages with respect to the diode, or we are not giving any external voltage for the biasing condition of the p-n junction diode. Here, this type of circuits we are going to call it as a unbiased clippers. So, the clippers has been classified two categories. One is a series and parallel, the way of depending upon the way of connection, and with respect to the reference voltages externally we are giving with respect to the external voltage. If it is having any external voltage, then it will be called as a biased, otherwise it will be called as a unbiased. Next, once again has been the biased also having its clips positive part of the signal, then it will be called as a positive clipper. If it clips negative part of the signal, it will be called as a negative clipper. So in this case, if I am connecting the diode in terms of series and I am providing any external reference voltage and it is clipping the positive, then the circuit is going to be called as series biased positive clipper. If the condition such a way that I am using the series, I am connecting the diode in series and I am not using any external reference voltage and it going to clip the negative part of the signal, then it will be called as series unbiased negative clipper. The same way for the parallel also. If the diode is connected in parallel and we are using external reference voltage and it is clipping the negative voltage, then it will be called as parallel biased negative clipper. If the diode is connected in parallel with respect to the reference of the voltage and I am not using any external reference voltages and it is clipping the positive of the signal or voltage signal of the positive signal, then it will be called as parallel unbiased positive clippers. So which part it is removing? If it removing the positive part, it will be called as a positive clippers. If it is removing the negative part of the signal or negative voltage level of the signal, it will be called as negative clippers. So first one we will discuss with respect to the series unbiased clippers. So in this there are two words we have to concentrate. Series, nothing but the diode has to be connected in series with respect to the resistor and measurement of the voltage. Next, unbiased. Unbiased nothing but we should not use any reference voltage. So we should not use any reference voltage. So series. The diode, if you observe in this, there has been connected the diode with respect to the RL resistor in series. And with respect to the measurement of the output voltage has been connected. If I measure like this. Okay. So in this I am going to use the diode in series. That's why it will be called as series. Next, I am not using any external voltage. So that's why it will be called as unbiased clippers. Next one, we have to see which portion it goes for clipping. If it clips positive, then it will be called as a positive clipper. If it clips the negative, then it will be called as a negative clip up. So first we are concentrating with respect to the positive. We will see that it clips the positive or negative. So this is a circuit. This is the diode and load resistance of RL, and I am measuring that output across this of RL. This is the input voltage. The input voltage is positive for 0 to pi cycle, and pi to 2 pi the voltage is, input voltage is negative. So first case we will go for analysis for positive signal. Positive analysis, we will see what happens. So in this case, for positive of the signal having the potential of Vi is positive, so input voltage here goes for positive 1 and here it goes for negative 1. So indirectly the N type of PN junction diode is connected for positive and P type of PN junction diode is connected for negative. So indirectly the diode has been connected for reverse terminals. So it has been reversed. So the diode enters into the reverse bias. Whenever the diode has been reverse biased, it acts like as a open circuit. So no current will flow. So if it has been opened like this, no current flows in this. If current does not flow, nothing but current is equals to 0 in this case. How we are going to measure the output? V0 is equals to V equals to IR, I into RL. The load resistance I am using as RL. Current is equals to 0. 0 into RL. So output voltage V0 is equals to 0. So throughout the positive cycle, the diode is in the reverse bias condition only. So whenever the diode has been in the reverse bias condition, it acts like as a open circuit. Once it has been open circuit, the current will be in the open circuit since R will be the maximum of the case. So the current goes for 0. I goes for 0. So already we know that I will be equals to V by R. So this goes for maximum, nothing but infinite. The current is goes for here. If R is goes for infinite, the current goes for 0. So the current is 0. V0 will be equals to 0. So no output comes in this case. So almost all the positive signal of the voltage is clipped. Nothing but removed. It has been removed in this case. It has been clipped the signal of positive cycle. Next we have to go for analysis with respect to 0 to next case we have to go for with respect to second cycle, pi to 2 pi, the signal is negative. When the signal is negative, what happens? Here the signal is negative, nothing but input goes for negative and here we will get positive. So negative going is connected with respect to N type of the PN junction diode and here the positive has been connected for P type of PN junction diode. So there has been forward, same polarities, forward polarities has been connected, same polarities has been connected. So the PN junction diode is enters into the forward bias or the diode is in forward bias region. So why it is forward bias region? For negative cycle, the supply here goes for negative, here it goes for positive. So in this, the positive P type of PN junction diode has been connected for positive and negative potential or negative input signal has been connected for N type of PN junction diode. So the diode is in same polarities has been connected, so the diode is in forward bias region. When the diode has been forward bias in region, it acts like as a short circuit. So now I can replace this diode with respect to short circuit. So there existing a closed path, and so since it is having a closed path, the current can flow in this direction with respect to the input direction. So the current can able to flow. So there existing a current is going to be present. So when the current is going to be present, V naught is equals to I into RL. In this case, we have to measure I is maximum or minimum. The resistance is not going to be present in this case. So already we know that I is equals to V by R. What is the forward resistance of PN junction diode? It goes for RF resistance is equals to 0. The current is goes for infinite of the thing, nothing but the current will be in the maximum of the case. So the current has been maximum in this case over here. The voltage is also goes for maximum since V equals to IR. So the voltage is also goes for maximum. What is the maximum voltage can I am going to get? Whatever amount we are giving across the input, that amount of maximum voltage we can able to get. So here the maximum voltage for this circuit is input. So V naught will be equals to Vi. So V naught is going to be equals to approximately equals to Vi. So whatever the input we are applying in this case, the same output we are going to get for negative cycle. If you observe, the positive signal has been clipped off, removed, and we can able to get whatever the negative signal has been there. The same negative signal here, the negative voltage is there. So negative and positive, we are going to get negative output. So negative signal is going to be present. I am getting negative output voltage. So it is clipping only the positive. That's why it will be called as a positive clipper. Next, the same way we have to go for analysis for negative clipper. Simple here, the diode direction is changed. The previous case, the circuit is like this. Negative terminal and positive terminal. If I reverse the direction of PN junction diode, just reverse it, it behaves like as a negative clipper. See how it behaves like as a negative clipper. The first positive cycle. So it is a positive cycle is nothing but here the positive potential and here it goes for negative potential. So positive nothing but positive has been connected for P type of PN junction diode, and negative is nothing but here N type has been connected for negative terminal of PN junction diode. So what happens, they have been with respect to the same polarity, so it enters into the forward bias region. Whenever the diode is in the forward bias region, it acts like as a short circuit. Whenever the diode has been short circuit, the current flows into it. Once the current going to be flows into it, what happens? V naught is going to exist, I into RL. So how much the V naught we are going to get? I goes for maximum. No drop going to be exist over here in this case. No drop is there, nothing but resistance is 0. Once the resistance is 0, the current is maximum. The current goes for maximum, V goes for maximum. So what's the maximum we can get from the input side? The input only we can get having the maximum amount of voltage. So V naught will be equals to Vi. So the V naught will be equals to Vi in this case. So for the positive cycle, whatever the amount of input we have given, we are going to get across the output. So the positive whatever we have given, we got it. Next we have to go for analysis for negative case. So what happens for the negative case? Nothing but from pi to 2 pi. Between pi to 2 pi, the negative signal is there, nothing but alternating current of negative here. It goes for positive here, the voltage reference levels. Whenever it has been negative, the diode, here negative will be there and here positive going to be there. The negative of the signal has been connected with respect to the p-type of PN junction diode, and the negative terminal of the PN junction diode has been connected for positive terminal of the signal. So there has been reverse polarities. So the diode is enters into reverse bias condition. Whenever the diode is in reverse bias condition, it acts like as a open circuit. Whenever that it is open, the current is equals to 0. It has been opened right now. So it has been opened. So it has been opened is nothing but no current flows in it. So current is equals to 0. In this case, I will be equals to 0. Whenever I equals to 0, the V0 is equals to I into R. So here the current is 0 into R. The output voltage goes for 0 in this case. Whenever the output voltage is 0, almost all the signal has been clipped off. So which one it is clipping? It is clipping off negative signal. That's why it will be called as a negative clipper. So it is removing negative cycle of the signal, nothing but from pi to 2 pi it is removing, and negative signal has been clipped off. So that's why the circuit is known as negative clipper. How the diode we have connected? We have connected the diode in terms of series with respect to the reference of output measurement of voltage. We are not using any reference voltage, so it is a unbiased. So series unbiased clippers, one is a positive one and one is a negative one. So positive is nothing but it clips the positive signal, and negative one is nothing but it clips the negative signal. It will be called as series unbiased positive clipper and series unbiased negative clippers.